Done push-ups every day. Tried wide grip, close grip, even diamond push-ups. You followed YouTube routines, slowed your reps down, cleaned up your form, kept your diet tight, and still, your chest hasn't grown. No size, no shape, just flat. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. The reason isn't that you're not working hard, it's that you're not training smart. Most home chest workouts are either too basic or completely ignore how your chest actually works. But today, I'll show you a better approach, a smarter, more effective way to train your chest at home using just 4 movements, no equipment, and no fluff. These exercises target all 3 major regions of your chest, upper, mid, and lower, so you can finally build a bigger, fuller-looking chest right from your room. Let's start with the most common problem. Push-ups aren't enough, at least not by themselves. Your chest is made up of 3 main sections: the upper chest, also called the clavicular head, the middle chest, which is the bulk of your pecs, and the lower chest, where the fibers angle downward. Standard push-ups, they mostly hit the mid-chest. That's not bad, but if that's all you're doing, you're only stimulating a fraction of your chest potential. Imagine only doing flat bench press at the gym and skipping incline or decline. That's what you're doing if you only do one type of push-up. So here's how we fix that. With 4 push-up variations, each one focusing on a different section of your chest. First up, incline push-ups. This is your upper chest builder. We're elevating the hands, not the feet. Use a couch, a low table, or even stairs. Go for 3 sets of 10-15 clean, controlled reps. And if that's too easy, pause at the bottom for a 2 to 3 second hold to make it burn. The incline shifts more load to the upper chest, the part that gives your pecs that lifted, rounded look. Most people undertrain this area, especially at home. Next, the standard push-up. You've seen it a million times, but let's do it right. Hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Elbows at a 45-degree angle. Chest goes all the way down to the floor. No half reps. Keep your core tight so your body moves like one unit. This hits the mid-chest and builds general size and pressing strength. Do 3 sets of 15 to 20, and if you can go past that easily, slow your tempo down. 3 seconds down, 1 second pause, then explode up. That'll humble you fast. Third is the decline push-up. But this time, you elevate your feet on a chair or a couch, keep your hands on the floor, and lower down slowly. Lower chest, giving your pecs that full, droop-free shape. Bonus, this also builds shoulder stability and feels easier on your wrists. Do 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps, depending on how tough it feels. And last, we've got a bonus movement for the inner chest, the squeeze push-up. If you've ever seen a dumbbell squeeze press at the gym, this is the bodyweight version. Get into push-up position, but bring your hands close together and squeeze them inward throughout the whole movement, like you're trying to push the floor together. You can also hold 2 books or plates and squeeze them into each other as you lower down. This constant inward tension lights up the inner chest, especially around the sternum. It's hard, so 2 sets of 8-12 is plenty. Now, how do we turn this into a full chest workout? Here's your home routine. Do this 2 to 3 times per week, with at least 48 hours of rest between sessions to recover. And here's the best part. You don't need fancy equipment, a gym membership, or hours of time. Just a floor, some effort, and a routine that actually trains your whole chest. So stop wasting time doing 100 push-ups a day and wondering why nothing's growing. Train smarter, stay consistent, and soon enough, you'll go from pancake pecs to power chest.